Today, we are doing the text for HSK1. We try to finish HSK1 today, and the next week we'll start HSK2. The two parts. The first part is listening. The second part is the reading. Starting from the reading first. So the reading, after we finish the reading, and then we use the rest of the time to finish the listening, so that I can make sure you understand every listening, not only for the test, but we understand what they are talking about. Okay? And we start from the first one. You try to read it, the word, 拼音.
狗.
So look at the picture. 是狗吗？
是猫.
Excellent. So this is not true, right? 不对. 不对. 不对, it means it's wrong. Okay. 对, it means right. Okay.
他们.
他们. So 是这个对不对？
对.
Excellent. Yeah, 他们 it's a plural.
儿子没学习，他在看电视呢。
So
F.
Excellent. Yeah. Yeah, I said that, May, you're doing great. You can see, you understand all that. And also your pinyin is beautiful.
7.
大卫没看电视，他在电影院看电影呢。
大卫现在做什么呢？
Oh, it's a long one.
Yeah.
It's A.
好, let's listen once more. Don't worry, it's a long sentence. Just try to catch the main meaning.
17. 大卫没看电视，他在电影院看电影呢。大卫现在做什么呢？
Yes. 没看电视是 B.
Yeah, what he's doing? 他在做什么呢？他在做什么？大卫在做什么呢？
I think she said 他在电影院 看电影.
Exactly.
She went to the movie theater?
Yeah.
Yes.
他在电影院看电影呢。看电影呢。对。Yeah, you can see, you cannot believe yourself, right? So now it's wrong. It's a very long sentence. And also,
it was long.
Yeah, very long, 2 sentences, right? Okay, so you're doing great, okay? 好, let's keep moving. If you want my ebook, or you want to learn Chinese with me personally, please contact me by email. I will help you speak Chinese confidently.